Most people get this wrong when they try to earn on Freecash. They think it's about clicking random offers all day and hoping the money adds up. But that approach is exactly why most users earn very little. Here's the truth no one tells you. On Freecash, the people who earn the most are not the ones who spend the most time, but the ones who choose the right offers and follow a simple strategy. In this video, you'll learn how to actually increase your earnings on Freecash in 2026, which types of offers pay the most, and the exact habits that separate high earners from casual users. Let's start with the biggest factor: offer selection. Freecash is full of different tasks like game levels, app installs, and surveys. For example, Alex from the UK might see two offers, one paying $1 for a survey, and another paying $20 for a game milestone. Most beginners pick the easy $1 task because it feels faster, but that limits earnings immediately. But here's the problem. Not all high-paying offers are equally easy. Some games require multiple days of progress. This is where most users quit too early and lose potential rewards. Now here's where it gets interesting. The highest earners on Freecash focus on medium effort, high reward tasks. These are usually game offers that pay in stages. Instead of rushing, they plan their progress over a few days and maximize each milestone payout. Another important tip is timing. Freecash updates offers regularly, and early access users often see better payouts. Checking the app multiple times a day increases your chances of catching higher paying tasks before they fill up or expire. Device optimization also matters more than people realize. John from California might lose access to better offers simply because of location-based availability or using outdated devices. Keeping your system updated and avoiding VPNs can improve offer visibility and tracking accuracy. Now let's talk about surveys. Surveys alone will not maximize your earnings. They are useful for small consistent income, but not for scaling. The real earning potential comes from combining surveys with game offers strategically. But here's a simple trick most users ignore. Always check estimated completion time versus reward value. If a task takes 10 minutes but pays only slightly more than another 5-minute task, it is often better to skip it and focus on efficiency. So here's the core strategy. To earn more on Freecash, you must prioritize high-value offers, stay consistent with game milestones, and avoid wasting time on low-return tasks. And finally, consistency beats intensity. Spending 20 focused minutes daily often earns more than randomly using the app for hours without a plan. So the takeaway is simple. Freecash rewards smart usage, not just active usage. If you want more real strategies like this, like the video, comment your experience with Freecash, and subscribe for more practical earning guides that actually help you improve results.